In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Google Drive storage for free. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Drive. You should know that Google provides us with 15 gigabytes of storage for free. If you want to increase this storage, you need to buy it from Google. The process I'm going to show you is the process of connecting multiple accounts together so that you can use all account storage in one place. For this, you will need multiple Google accounts. To add or create those accounts, click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Another Account. Now you can create or add existing accounts here. I already have 2 accounts created, so I will go back from here. Click on the profile icon again and click on your first extra account. This will open the account in a new tab. Go back to your main account and open the second account just like before. Now we have to create a folder. In the top left corner, click on New. In the pop-up menu, click on New Folder. Now we have to name the folder. Name the folder Account 1 and type the empty space for that folder. This way you will know how much storage you are using. For this account, it will be 15 gigabytes. Now, right-click on the folder you just created. In the pop-up, click on Share. Click on Share again. Now you have to provide your share address. Go to your main account and click on your profile icon. Copy your Google address from here. Go to the first extra account and paste the address. Make sure that the mode is set to Editor and click on Send. Now, if I come back to my main account and click on Shared with Me, our folders should be showing here. Repeat the process for all of your extra accounts. Here, you can see that I have 2 folders from 2 accounts. Now, let's see how it works. You can make it work in 2 ways. The first is if you want to manage the files using the main account, not the extra accounts, then you have to transfer the ownership of the files. Let's open the Account 1 folder from here. In the bottom left corner, you can see that my main account storage is occupied by 350 megabytes. Now, let's upload a file to this folder. Click on New, then File Upload. Now, upload the file here. After uploading, you can see that it has consumed the storage of my main account, not the extra account. If I go to that extra account, it looks the same too. For this, you have to transfer the ownership of the file. Right-click on the file. In the pop-up, click on Share. Click on Share again. Now, for the extra account, click on the Mode section. In the pop-up, click on Transfer Ownership. Now, click on Send Invitation. Go to that extra account and open its Gmail. This is the email that has the file ownership. In the email, click on Accept. Now, if I go back to the extra account and refresh the page, you can see that the ownership has been changed and it has consumed the storage of the extra account. If I come back to my main account and refresh the page, you can see that I can access the file, but it hasn't consumed any storage in the main account. By using this method, you don't need to switch to the extra accounts. The second method is using the extra accounts while uploading a file. Go to an extra account and open the shared folder for that account. Now, upload a file here. This way, it will consume the storage for the extra account, but you can still access the files in the main account using the folder. This way, you don't need to transfer ownership of each file. For this example, I have used 2 accounts, so I have 30 gigabytes of extra storage now. The more accounts you use, the more storage you get. Following these steps, you can increase the drive storage by hundreds of gigabytes.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.